this episode, I wanted to try something a little different. Instead of just explaining the vulnerability, we're going to investigate it like a real incident response case. Everything you need is in the GitHub case file if you'd like to follow along. We've received an incident from an enterprise customer. Their AI assistant passed every security review. Multiple users interacted with it without an issue, but one user managed to activate a behavior that should not have been possible. Our objective is simple: determine whether the compromise exists in the application or somewhere deeper in the AI supply chain. We start with patient 0, an email to IT Ops. The assistant suddenly stopped following corporate policy. It claimed it was operating in some sort of maintenance mode. Maintenance mode? Interesting. Let's check the logs. 9:13, normal. 9:17, normal. Wait, something changed at 9:19. There's our anomaly. System override 99. The moment that string was entered, the bot dropped its corporate persona and stated its instruction source was the embedded model configuration. If the application isn't the source of these instructions, where would you look next? I'd start with the model package. Structured API endpoint, hard-coded system prompt, no string concatenation, no eval statements, no shell execution, nothing suspicious. The developer did exactly what they were supposed to do. So where did the instructions come from? Let's check the suspect. Interesting. This directive doesn't exist anywhere in the application, which means it shipped with the model. Our confidence is increasing that the compromise exists within the model package itself. Let's see if we can reproduce the incident. Normal behavior. Now we drop the payload. Everything changed. What we've just investigated is exactly what OWASP classifies as LLM-03 supply chain vulnerabilities. We've spent 20 years teaching developers not to trust random NPM packages. Now we are downloading 8 GB neural networks from the internet strangers because a README says they're 12% faster. Now that we've identified the root cause, how could we have prevented this? You implement an AI bill of materials or AI bomb, and you cryptographically hash every model entering your pipeline. If artifact verification had existed in the deployment pipeline, this model would have never reached production. The application wasn't vulnerable. The trust model was.